So in this project, I created an access control list to further secure a network. And an ACL or access control list is a list on a router that either permits or denies ingoing or outgoing traffic. To do this, there are specific commands that need to go on a specific router. The router you want to put the commands in is the one closest to the outgoing source. So basically, if I want to protect this network over here from traffic coming from this network, and then I would put the commands that would be over here. So these commands would go into this router because if I want to protect traffic coming from this PC over here, and then the traffic would go through here into this router, and then to this router, it would see that it has an IP address of 192.168.2.101, and then it would then deny it because it is on that access control list. Now, it's very important that you place the ACL on the right interface, because if you place it on the wrong one, and then that can actually be very detrimental to the actual net to the network itself, because the main reason for an ACL is to protect your the private information from outgoing from incoming traffic. And so if it's on the wrong interface, and then contaminated traffic, or hackers could actually potentially get to your sensitive information. And now to avoid using the a negative performance, is it's actually very critical to understand the concept of ingoing and outgoing traffic flows, and also how ACLs work. And it's also important where to place them as well. And also to remember that a router's job is to forward traffic through the right interface, so that a flow can be either coming inbound or going outbound. So an ACL is much more efficient than a firewall, because a firewall uses a lot of bandwidth to actually protect a network, and that can actually slow it down. So ACLs, they use much less bandwidth, so meaning it is way more efficient to use ACLs to protect a network.